Hi, everyone. This is Team S4's presentation for the first group project about a custom-built car dealership system. My name is Jennifer, and I will be going over the system request. So the visualization breakdown for the system request shows that in the top portion, we have the project sponsor and the business need. In the middle portion, we have the business requirements as well as the business value. And then in the lower portion, we have the special issues and constraints. For our project sponsor and our business need, we have the project sponsor listed as Chris Nickel, and he is the owner of Southern California Auto Dealers. The business need for this project is to assist a car dealership to better integrate their internal and external services for both customers and employees by providing a more accurate and reliable system to track vehicle inventory as well as commissions for salespersons. The business requirements we have listed, we have 7 of them. The first one is the online vehicle inventory search function. The second one is on-site inventory, both internal and external. The third one is storing customer preferences with records on file. The fourth one is sales and financing approval for all vehicles prior to purchasing. Fifth one would be the live inventory updates for internal and external vehicles. And the sixth and seventh one are weekly commissions of salespersons as well as weekly promotional offers on internal inventory.
Now we'll go over how the requirements mentioned in previous slides will bring business value. First, it will increase number of customers due to convenience and accuracy of the online and on-site inventory system. Also, we project that it will increase number of customers coming into the dealership due to the online vehicle inventory search function that allows them to find their desired vehicles and come to the dealership to make the purchase. For a conservative estimated tangible value, we anticipate $522,000 of sales, which was calculated by multiplying additional 15 cars per month, an average of $34,800 sales value per car together. 65% of this total sales will come from customers using online inventory system, which equals to $339,300. We anticipate $870,000 in financing, which was calculated by multiplying $34,800 and 25 together, which represent average financing option per car and anticipated number of cars being financed respectively. 45% of it will come from vehicles found online, which equals $391,500. Lastly, we project $25,000 in accessories coming from increased customers' visit to the dealership. For special issues or constraints, management view this system as a strategic method to increase customer sales and add value to the business plan, while providing up-to-date inventories for both online and in-person. Before the system goes live, database should be created to store customer records, as well as an updated inventory of vehicles. They are located internally and externally, so they can be added to the online system. Also, a database administrator will need to be hired to ensure proper recording of all inventory, sales, and promotional offers, as well as customer records.
Next, we will talk about the non-functional requirements of the car dealership system. First is the operational requirements, which include a few important features. First, the system should be able to work on any web browser. It should be inclusive of all departments like sales and marketing, as well as integrate current systems used by them. It will have real-time data, and automatic backups of the data will be carried out at the end of each business day. For the data to be useful, the system will also allow for the data to be able to be exportable as well. The next section is performance requirements. One essential requirement is that the system should be able to be available 24 hours a day and every day of the year. Customers and employees alike should be able to access the system at any time. To keep accurate records and to make sure that the information doesn't get lost, the system will store information on all car transaction steps every 3 seconds, and the response time of interactions between the system and the user should also be less than 3 seconds. Finally, the system shall allow several sales to be made at the same time without downgrading performance.
So next for the non-functional requirements, we want to go over security requirements. So the first requirement would be that only the dealership management personnel would have access to updating the inventory and making reports from the inventory. The next requirement we want to establish is that only management personnel would have access to specific car details and information, and also purchases by the customer. However, with that being said, we also want to keep management in line as well by hiding specific billing information such as credit card or bank information from our customers as well. Protecting the customer's information and private details is a priority to us. And then lastly, upper management personnel should also be the only ones to be able to access business reports and trends in order to help our business grow as effectively as it could be compared to our competitors. Also, with that being said, salespeople should also be able to see some of these reports as well. However, only reports that pertain to them or whatever management deems is necessary or willing to share to the public. And then lastly, for the non-functional requirements, we want to go over cultural and political requirements. So the first requirement would be that the system is designed to protect the privacy of customer-related data, such as their preferences or test drive records. Again, customer privacy is a priority of ours. But then along with protecting the customer's data, we also want to protect our salespeople's data, such as their commissions and any personal and sensitive information that they have with us. Ensuring the system maintains confidentiality is a crucial part of our work and a priority of ours.
Next up, we have the functional requirements. Now, part of the functional requirements, we first need to match customers with vehicles. So in order to do that, the requirements are that they need the ability to search internal inventory online. They also need to be able to provide on-site salespersons the ability to search internal and external inventory. They also need to record information regarding test driving vehicles, along with storing customer preferences and linking that information with the customer record. After that, we also need to make sure that they can track sales. For clients who are charged sales tax or given a discount, it must be tracked. Another requirement consists of financing will be outsourced to financial institutions. All sales must be approved by the manager. For clients who finance or lease their vehicle, the financing manager must approve the financing arrangements. Third, inventory management. Inventory will be updated in real time. Access will be provided to external inventories. They will also have the ability to place orders with other dealers and manufacturers. The fourth requirement, determination of salesperson commission. Salesperson's commissions will be determined on a weekly basis, and it will be calculated based on a percentage of their sales. The fifth requirement is to determine promotional offers. Promotional offers will be determined on a weekly basis, and those are the functional requirements. Thank you so much for your time and for listening. Have a great day.